Have you ever sent an important email only to realize later that your name showed up as a nickname or your old maiden name? Your display name is what people see in their inbox before they even open your message. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change it on your computer. Note that this change only affects outgoing emails, not your actual Google account name or email address. First, log into your Gmail account on a computer. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner and click it. This opens the Quick Settings panel. At the very top, click the button that says See All Settings. You'll see a lot of tabs here. Ignore the first one. Click on the fourth tab labeled Accounts and Import. Scroll down until you find the section called Send Mail As. You'll see your email address listed there, and next to it, the name that is currently being used. To the right of your email, click the small link that says Edit Info. A yellow pop-up window will appear. You'll see two radio buttons. The top one is your Google account name. To use a custom name just for emails, click the empty circle below it and type your desired name in the box. This could be John Doe, Sales, or just your full name. Once you've typed your new name, click the Save Changes button at the bottom. The window will close, and you'll see your new name listed in the settings. And that's it. Your next email will look professional. If this quick fix helped you, please hit like and subscribe to easy tutorials and how-tos. Thanks for watching.